Calculus Kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 19, Wednesday. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log for Week 19, Wednesday. All right, you guys, as you guys know, we have already talked about the project for the end of the school year. You do not have a actual final, but you do have a final project that you have to submit. There are 3 parts to it. This is part 1, and you must include the 8 different pieces for project part 1. Project part 2 is on career. So these are the 8 pieces that need to be on your project. And then part 3 is on a famous mathematician, and it's 1 to 8. You can do this either on a Prezi, a PowerPoint, or a document, a YouTube video. You can create a website if you would like. A website that a lot of students of mine have used in the past is Weebly. So I would recommend that you can do whatever you want, but it has to be electronic. You cannot submit a hard copy of this. So it needs to have a link attached. And when you guys are ready to submit it, here is the link that you're going to be using. It's this link or this QR code, and it just says your name right here, your link to the AB Semester 2 project. Just paste it on there, and that's how you're going to submit it to me. All right, so with that said, today I'm going to have you guys dive into a little bit more about your career interests. So in class, I'm going to ask you guys the following 4 questions. After this, we're going to talk about a career cluster to kind of figure out what you are good at. Yesterday, we talked about what is your 4 personality letters, like mine is ENTJ, and you guys went ahead and took the personality test to figure out what yours is. If you did not do that, make sure you go back to Week 19 Tuesday. So on this career cluster, you're just going to simply check mark the questions that apply to you. I like to learn how things live and grow, learn about natural resources, protect the environment, being outdoors, budget. I'm not a big fan of repairing things. I am independent, accurate, a nature lover, physically active. There we go. I'm interested in math. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my statement here is 12 check marks. I'm going to continue on with these clusters for 1 all the way to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make sure you do that. And at the end, calculate or number and tally up your total statements checked. 13, 14, 15, 16. And then afterwards, you are going to figure out which one do you have the highest number of marks checked. These are the cluster for you to explore even further. So if, let's say, for example, 13 was the highest one or one of the highest ones, 13 means that you are interested in manufacturing. And then the second part of this is give me your clusters. So I want your top two of the numbers checked. So the highest ones here, and then explore the career possibilities and the educations needed. All right, you guys, you can spend the rest of the day today to kind of figure out about your project and figure out how you're going to go about organizing this. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.